So this is a campaign, right? So as per the hierarchy, we have one campaign. That campaign has multiple ad groups, ad group 1, ad group number 1b, and each ad group can have keywords and ad copies. So this is my campaign. If I select the campaign, I'll get the ad groups within ad group 1A, 1B. In my case, I have ad group 1A, 1B, and 1C. And every ad group will have a set of keywords and the respective ad copies. So in this case, my ad group is eligibility home loan. I'll select the ad copy, and if I go to keywords, then this should contain all the keywords having home loan and eligibility as the words in it. Home loan eligibility, home loan eligibility. So all of them include home loan eligibility. Now my objective is that when someone searches for these keywords, he basically wants to know, is he eligible for a home loan or not, or he wants to check whether he is eligible, right? So in this case, I should present him an ad which states that check your home loan eligibility, correct? So how do we do that? Now I'm talking about writing an ad copy. So you will select eligibility on the left hand side and ads and extensions on the right hand side. This brings us to this section. We'll select the plus sign to create an ad copy. Right now we don't have any ad copies, so in order to create a new one, we'll select the plus sign and we'll select any of these. So text ad is a generic text ad which gives you a lot of control, whereas responsive ads are some fancy ads but text ads. And what happens is, in responsive ads you can test various permutations and combinations of your headlines and descriptions. So in responsive ads you can have around 15 headlines and 4 descriptions, and Google's machine learning algorithm, it mixes these headlines and descriptions to show an ad which can accumulate maximum number of clicks. So that is what responsive search ads are. Ad variations are very much similar to A/B testing, and this is where you would like to test whether headline A or headline B works well for you. Call only ads are usually the ads which have your phone number, the advertiser's phone number in the headline. Okay, these include advertiser's phone number in the headline. So if these ads are visible on mobile devices, when someone clicks on the headline, he will directly land on the dialer screen from where he can call the advertiser directly. So if you want more people to call on your listing, if you want more people to call your business, then you can go ahead and create a call only ad. In this case, I'm going to select text ad because this is what is going to help us understand the concept in detail. So it says final URL. Final URL means the landing page URL, which in our case is, yes, so this is the home loan page. And when someone clicks on my ad, when people click on my ad, I want them to land on my home loan page. And if the ad is about personal loan, I would take them to the personal loan page, right? Remember, always take the user to the most relevant landing page. So in my case, this is the relevant landing page right now. I'll copy the URL at the top and paste it in the final URL section. Final URL means the landing page URL. Also, you'll observe there's an error over here because HTTPS is repeated twice. So just remove any one of these. Headline 1. So headline 1 is visible over here. Headline 1. Headline 2 can be previewed over here. Headline 2. And headline 3 is something that Google will play around. He will test. Additionally, you have description 1 and description 2 as well. The most important part of your ad copy is headline 1, headline 2 and description 1. So let me go ahead and create an ad copy for the ad group home loan eligibility. So this is what I'll do. Check home loan eligibility. Now make sure that you are within the boundaries set by Google. So in this case, Google says that you cannot go beyond 30 characters, right? So I've typed check home loan eligibility because the ad group in this case is eligibility. Compare quotes from top banks. Make sense, right? Let us see how it looks. Okay, so check home loan eligibility. Can you see title case? First character of every word is capital. Space. Compare quotes from top banks. Now the ad would appear something like this on mobile devices, whereas if you click the preview option, it will appear something like this on desktop devices. Okay, these are the extensions that I've added. These are the extensions that I have added. Apply online, calculate monthly EMI. Do you remember the extensions? These are called as site links. These are your callouts and structured snippets and your call extension, which we have discussed in the previous videos. Now all we need to do is add description one, and I suggest don't repeat any words because we have already mentioned eligibility over here. I suggest you write something apart from eligibility. So let us write description number one. Description one would be easy documentation and process, compare banks, banks instantly, interest rates as low as 8 point as low as 8.10%. Okay, so we have our headline description, we have final URL. Let us add a display URL as well, a display path. Right now, if you look at the preview, one might feel that the ad will take him to the home page, right? www.myloancare.in. This appears like a home page, but this is the actual page. So in order to make it more relevant, to make it look more relevant, we'll add path to it like loan home. Now look at the URL. The display URL is myloancare.in/loans/home loan. Now it appears as though on clicking the ad, the user will land on the relevant page. We'll go ahead and save the ad. Just select save. There you go. So in this search campaign and eligibility ad group, we have created our first ad copy. So in your search campaign in eligibility ad group, you have created your first ad copy.